I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute.
Welcome to the 12 days of Christmas, where I will be uploading 12 videos between now and Christmas. I will also be doing a bit of a giveaway. I'll be giving away 5 eyeshadow palettes, so all of the info for that will be in the description below. I'm really excited. But today's video is all about this eyeshadow look that I did with the new Star Wars Mandalorian X Colourpop eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. I love it. I created this kind of natural glam look. I don't know what you just call it. But I'm really excited for the next 12 videos. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get right into the video. So today's eyeshadow look is so quick and so easy. I can't wait to share it with you. I wanted to create more of a natural glam look for today, and I will be using this palette again because I really want to try out the greens, so that will be coming soon. But to begin, I am using the concealer to just prep my eyelids. We are starting with the eyes first and then moving on to the rest of the face later on. The first shade I'm going in with is Just Like a Tatooine, and this shade I am buffing it all up in my crease, using it as the transition shade. As you know, I like to start light and then gradually build up the pigment in the windshield wiper motions, back and forth, all in the crease, getting that shadow going. As always, I like to keep my clips in real time so you can see just how I'm blending, how long it takes me to blend, and exactly where my brush is going. This is completely live, not sped up at all. This is great if you want to do this makeup look along with me as well. The next shade we're going in with is Droid Protocol, and we're just going to begin to place this on the outer corner. As you can see, I'm putting it in a diagonal. This is just to help make it easier to blend it out and to reduce the chance of any mistakes. So I'm popping it on sort of like a wing, but buffing it on the outer corner in circular motions, as you can see, keeping it nice and tight in the corner of the outer eye. And with whatever excess I have, you can see I start to gently bring that into the crease and to create a rounded effect on my eyelid. I then go in with a smaller brush and take the remaining pigment of whatever's on the outer corner into the crease. I'm just slowly dragging it in. Also, you can see my eyelids are quite dry. I do have eczema on my eyelids, so it makes applying makeup a little difficult, but we do get there. For the outer corner, I am building up the pigment. I want to keep it quite dark out there, so I'm gradually building up the color. Little bit by little bit, I do the same steps, pack it on, blend it out, pack a bit more pigment on, and blend it out. Just remember to do those circular motions for blending when it's the outer corner. Taking the shade Right Hand Mando, this shade is so pretty. I didn't even use any liquid, any Fix Plus, nothing. I just popped this straight on my brush and straight onto the lid, and look at all of this payoff that it's giving me. It is so sparkly. I love it. I can't believe it's straight with a dry brush, no wetness at all, and I'm just tapping this all over my first half of the lid and a little bit into the outer corner slightly, just to help blend it out. So this look is really easy because there is no cut crease involved. This is just straight shimmer on a dry brush on your eyelid. Taking the shade Sipping Soup, I'm popping this using my finger between the shades Right Hand Mando and Droid Protocol. This is to help make a little gradient of green and shimmer, and I just wanted an excuse to use this shade because it's really pretty. I will be doing a wing liner, so I'm using a wing stamp. This is really great for beginners. I do recommend it. Sometimes I like using this. It makes my time so much quicker. This is the Wing brand, I think, but you can pick these up almost anywhere nowadays. So I just stamp it on and then connect it to the liner on my lid. Definitely a product worth trying out. Now using some micellar water, I'm going to remove any fallout that I may have and just tidy up around that wing area there. And now it's time for the rest of the face. I'm going in with the foundation and whatnot, so this will all be in a nice little sped up time lapse for you, and I will return when it's time to continue the eye makeup. Oh, actually, before we continue, I forgot about this. Using a little cotton bud, preferably paper and not plastic by the way, I'm using some micellar water to remove some of the shadow on the inner crease. This is because I want to keep it nice and tight, so I'm just removing some of the excess shadow just to keep it really neat and not so smoky in the inner corner part. Now we will continue with the rest of the makeup.
I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be strong, you can't lean on me. I'll be your rock at the bottom. You don't have to be cool, 'cause I see through it if you're...
Now we're going back in with the shade Just Like a Tatooine, and we're going to put this on the bottom lash line. I have been loving a minimal bottom lash line lately, so we're sticking with that trend again, and we're just gently buffing it out to create a nice shadow. Then picking up the shade Droid Protocol, I'm using a really stiff thin brush to pack this onto where my eyelashes come out to make that appear a bit thicker. Now I had to use this shade, The Force. It is so pretty. So I just put this on my inner corner just to sparkle it up a little bit. There is so much pigment on this shadow, it was insane. So we're just keeping this on the very inner corner. And because I got obsessed with it, I started to put it a little bit on the inner corner of my eye as well. As you can see, just a little bit to help with that gradient of the eyelid. For my waterline, I'm picking up a Colourpop gel liner. I forget what this is called. I might link it in the description box, but it's just a nude cream gel liner. This will help your eyes to appear larger, and I am obsessed with the cream gel liners in this sort of nude beige color. And for lips, I'm using my BFF lip liner from Colourpop and also my absolute favorite gloss right now. This is the Raw Beauty Christie collab in the shade Wildflower. This is the most beautiful gloss ever. Definitely one of my favorites right now.
I can carry it too. Let me be your friend. Let me be your friend too. Let me be your friend.
And of course, the most important step of all, going in with some highlight. Just use whatever highlight you like. So I like to use this all over my face and also on my brow bone as well. Just keep it nice and shimmery. Going in with mascara now, I am testing out a couple new mascaras and just pop on a few coats and look at it go. This is really bringing the look together now. So this is the completed look without any false lashes. This is just pure mascara. Again, this is what I do on a daily basis. I don't wear false lashes, but for the sake of taking this look to the next level, I just popped on some really natural looking lashes. As you can see, you can't really tell much difference from before lashes and after lashes, so you honestly don't need false lashes. Don't feel pressured to use false lashes. I just like to pop them on sometimes. And this is the completed look. It is very naturally glam, but again, I do want to go in with the greens, so I will be doing that in the next look using this palette. I hope you enjoyed this really easy eye tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Please thumbs up this video if you found it helpful, and also subscribe if you haven't already.